I'm Dr. Keshwareddy Manur. I'm the Clinical Director of Bariatric and Metabolic Surgery in KIMS Gachibowli, Hyderabad. I used to be a bariatric surgeon for 30 years in England, and I just come back to Hyderabad. I was the first one to start bariatric surgery in England as laparoscopic bariatric surgery, though open surgery the people used to do in the past, and they have a lot of complications. But with the advent of laparoscopic surgery, we're able to do a lot of these surgeries very easily with hardly any complications. And the recovery is fast and the pain is not there. I have established a very biggest department of bariatric surgery in England, and therefore my idea is to start the similar bariatric center in Hyderabad, as the wish of Dr. Bhaskar Rao, who is the chairman of the KIMS hospitals. And I'm sure I'll be able to do this job with the help of our colleagues and the team in KIMS Gachibowli. I operated about 8,000 bariatric cases. Most of them are complicated, and most of them are revisional operations in England, which nobody wanted to touch them because of the complexity. Now, I operated 2 years ago a lady, Jane Fox, in England, and she was weighing 22 stones, which is about 140 kilos. And now she's about 80 kilos, 64 kilos she dropped from the time of the surgery. All her diabetes, blood pressure, sleep, knee joint problems, and urinary incontinence all have been resolved completely, and she doesn't need to take any medications for these. Because she got so much good results, she brought her wife, Alex Fox, to India, and Alex also suffers from weight issues and also chronic renal failure, thyroid problem, and also blood pressure problem. Therefore, she come here. We operated her after assessment on the 16th of August, and she recovered extremely well. By the next day, she went home because she was walking everywhere in the corridors of the hospital. Now she's able to go do even the gym activity about 6 days after the surgery, and she lost 6.5 kilos in the same time. I'm sure her diabetes, her hypertension will improve, and she may not need to take any medications in 3 to 4 months' time. Therefore, this operation should be done by well-trained, experienced surgeons. Then the risks are extremely low, and the complication rate is also extremely low, lower than even gallbladder surgery. Therefore, these surgeries are not for everybody. It is individualistic, and each individual is assessed comfortably and made sure that they may need a sleeve gastrectomy or gastric bypass or duodenal switch or SADI operations or any other methods or even medications if needed. Therefore, we have to assess them properly and give the right operation, and therefore individualize these operations for the patients. And the follow-up is extremely important, and the contact should be always there with the patient so that they can contact you for any problems that may arise in future, whatever may be there. And also the medications they may have to take in future. And also the advice they are taking or not, we will tell them to take, like the vitamin and mineral supplements, protein supplements, and also blood tests to make sure they're not deficient in any of these, nutritional deficiency doesn't arise. That's about it.